Hello ladies and gentlemen, those in between, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Everett, and for today's video, we're going to be reacting to Maybe's Sweet Moments.
So she's going to be your pretend girlfriend,
Hey,
okay?
but Ryza May, you have a car?
Ay,
Ano daw car mo?
Car?
Car, sasakyan.
Kotse po?
Yes.
yes.
Opo.
What's your car?
Kuwan tawag din eh.
SUV daw car mo. You, what's your car?
GMC.
Ay,
Okay. Taray. Oh.
Ryza May, are you rich?
are you rich?
Rich ka na daw ba? Tinatanong ni Bim. Mayaman ka na? I think so.
Di po.
Hello, ang laki na siguro ng sweldo mo. Oh my God, you're rich. Naka-diamonds ka kaya.
Oo, kasi na. Galing po kay Tita Helen yan.
Oh,
Helen
bigay ni
Gamboa.
Tita Helen, Gamboa Soto.
Opo.
Wow.
Wow.
Bim, she's rich. Has
Friends
diamond
po
earrings.
kami eh.
Friends kayo. Oh.
Yay! Ryza!
Oh, what's your next question
Yay,
for Ryza?
Ryza, what's your favorite color? Yellow.
Ay,
Oh, that's
Aquino
our favorite
color.
also, Bim.
Aquino
Because
color.
of...
Aquino.
Aquino.
Oh, okay. Oh, and then, what's your next question for her?
Where's your school, Ryza? Eton.
Lucero, no?
Ethan.
Ethan, that's my friend's name.
No,
Ethan?
your friend's name is Ethan. Her school is Ethan.
Saan ka nag-aaral? Bren. International
Wow,
American
international
Okay.
school.
So, she's
Parang sinampal tayo ng kahirapan sa video na ito, no? I found this video earlier kasi I was thinking about making a reaction video to more like a compilation of their sweet moments mula pang bata pa sila hanggang ngayon. So I came across this video, hindi ko pa ito nakita, pero sobrang cute. And I mean the fact that Bimbi, galing siya sa isang international school. Parang, alam mo yon yung feeling na, ay, saan tayo nag-graduate ng ng elementary, ng high school, ng college. Tapos siya, no? Tapos yung question, you have a car? Wow, saan galing yung question na yun? Parang, teka muna. Sinampal tayo ng kahirapan. Anyway, let's now move on, guys, to our next video. I came across this video earlier as well. I don't exactly know what's going on in this video, pero parang nagdi-date yata sila together with Chris Aquino. Hindi ko pa ito napanood. I just saw this on the official Facebook of Tito Vic and Joey, TVJ. So I highly recommend you guys na mag-follow kayo sa TVJ. I think this is the official Facebook page din ng Eat Bulaga. Yes. Oh, wait. No audio. Let's turn on the audio. Let's watch this in 3, 2, 2, 1. Let's go.
Ikaw muna, babe. Ikaw
First date kasama yung mga nanay.
After the 10th day, sama mga nanay.
Ay, 10th day? Wait. Seryoso to? Seryoso to? Date talaga to? Or like, another scripted thing? But you know what, guys? Meron akong nababasa talaga ng mga negative comments, sinasabi na scripted lang daw yan, for the show lang yan. Ano naman, ang dami-dami kayang mga love teams din yan, for the show din yan, pero hindi pumapatok. The only difference is sila patok na patok sa masa. Okay, to the bashers and the haters, shut up. Pag mag-ano kayo, tama na. Wag yung, do not take your insecurities on the two of them. Kasi, Bimbi Aquino is royal blood yan. Apo yan ng 2 presidente ng Pilipinas. So, huwag kayong aano-ano. Meron pa nga akong nabasa na parang nakaka-offend. I was like, pina-prioritize daw nila yung mga nagpapakute lang. Excuse me, saan ang gagaling yung mga insecurities niyo? Seriously. Hindi bagay. Hindi nakakatawa yung mga ganong, hindi nakakatawa yung mga ganong comments. Huwag kayong ganon. Mga taong gumaganyan lang, mga inggit lang yan. At yung inggit, hindi ka magsasucceed sa life kung inggitera ka. It's their time. Phenomenal sila eh. So, kahit anong gawin nyo, hindi nyo ma-stop ba yung popularity nila. Kasi it's their time.
Ask him a question.
Anong question?
Ikaw muna, baby. Ikaw muna.
First day.
First date kasama yung mga nanay.
Ganun talaga. After the 10th.
Wala 10th date pa.
Happy gabi, ha?
Family eh.
Kasama si Ate Miles.
Ba kanina sa bar. Di ka ever nagka-boyfriend, no?
Hala!
Oh, what's your question yan na?
Nanligo ka na ba ever?
Hala.
Ganun.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Technically hindi ligaw. Technically hindi naman ligaw, just a friend.
Paano mo pinakita?
Hala.
Ha?
Paano mo pinakita ng
Seryoso?
flowers? Yes, flowers,
Ay.
eggs, or acts of service.
Just a friend. Friend lang. Ba?
Mutual siguro.
Yeah.
Gusto ni Boom kasi maasikaso. At yung ano,
Naglinis na.
at yung maalala.
Malaga.
Kasi daw, pawis yun yung personality. Super naman yung alagang ginawa niya sa akin.
Hala.
Sana na ma-return yun sa kanya.
Okay, I guess it's about it for the second video. Sa totoo lang guys, hindi ko alam kung scripted pa ba to or part pa din ba to ng show. Kasi parang hindi ko talaga alam, you know, but as their fan, nakakatuwa. I mean, it feels great to see Madam Chris Aquino na, I mean, she's talking about kung ano yung gusto niya para kay Bimbi. Ganyan naman talaga ang mga mothers di ba? But I mean, it's totoo ba? I mean, the two of them were like talking about courting, pagliligaw, and the fact na hindi pa nagka-boyfriend si Riza May. Parang, alam mo yun, she should be extra careful din kasi it's not, napakahirap alam mo yun, but anyway, nakakatuwa. I don't wanna dive deeper into sa mga ano pa, pero all I wanna say is, sana, hopefully, you know, eto, last, I think ito yung fan cam video nung kumanta siya ng Maybe This Time yesterday. So gusto ko talaga to, but unfortunately may music. So I might as well turn down the volume of this video guys para iwas tayo copyright. Yung smile talaga ni tawag dito ni Miles. Siya yung barkada mo or yung friend mo na happy para sa iyo. Wow, talaga ba? Tapos lalapitan niya. Ako na yung magiging director. Lapitan mo na si Riza. Come on, dali. Sumunod sa akin. Hindi nakita ko na to kahapon. Hinimatay. Napansin ko lang, si Riza parang hindi niya alam kung anong gagawin niya. Kaya nga sinabihan siya ni Jose. I think Jose said something along the lines na hindi na yan arte. Tama, I agree. Parang hindi niya alam kung anong gagawin niya. Ang tawag doon, natataranta. Ay, ayaw niya hawak. Naiya. Paulo talaga. Parang napaka-magical. Like, alam niyo yung Aldab dati, to be honest guys I knew na walang feeling si Alden. Although kinikilig ako na sobra. When Alden said, God gave me you. I don't know if you guys remember that. Na sa ang tamang panahon ba yun? When Alden said, God gave me you, and then umiyak siya, it's true. I agree. God gave me you. Dahil kay Maine, nag-boom, sumikat si Alden. Yun lang yun. He was just thankful na dumating si Maine sa life niya. Not because he loved Maine at that time. No. He was just thankful na kundi dahil kay Maine, hindi siya nag-boom as an artist. But as for the two of them, wala silang kailangang patunayan. Pareho na silang sikat. You know what I mean? Pareho na silang sikat. So, I can feel that genuine na friendship between the two of them. And that is why siguro patok na patok sila sa masa. Because it transmits through camera lenses. Nakikita yun ng mga tao. Hindi fake. Kaya nga sila binabash ina-hate. Dami silang haters ngayon, nakikita ko. Kasi, yun naman talaga, pag nagsasucceed, hini-hate. Ay. Alright guys, what do you think of these short videos? Let me know in the comment section below. Alright, I'll be hihintayin ko yung mga comments nyo. Okay, so I guess that's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you like this video, hit that like button, hit subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when my next video comes out. Peace out.